Hi, I'm Sebastian, and today I describe my role as an Agile coach. By the way, in Scrum, it's called the ScrumMaster. Let's have a look into my first area, team dynamics, where I help the team with its self-organization, coach how to work the Agile way in one-on-one coachings or in a group. I see and open conflicts and help to solve these conflicts. And I help the team to make decisions effectively and efficiently. For example, how to balance between high technical quality and more product features. Next area are meetings. In this role, it's important to have a really good preparation for all meetings by creating a meaningful agenda distributed to all participants in time that provides a clear meeting structure. That the room is booked and prepared, including all facilitation materials, so that the meeting can start in time. To use proper facilitation methods, using clear visualization and discover and use group dynamics, leading to a best consensus-based group decision. Followed by timely post-processing of the meeting, creating a summary and distribute as meeting minutes, organize follow-ups and store results for later usage, and reflect on possible improvements for the next meeting. As a coach, I help to see the bigger picture that sometimes can get lost in daily routine. I enable it by sharing of insights in the team and spreading the word across teams and organizational units, optimizing the flow of information between team and management and vice versa, by creating visibility to the Agile way and building bridges to push agility in the organization, by creating structures in alignment with management that enables an effective and efficient collaboration between all involved parties, product owner, customer, team, ops, architects and management, and context-specific more roles. By organizing knowledge sharing sessions, for example as unconferences, project retrospectives, hackathons and so on, I foster information sharing, networking and the exchange of information. Next bigger area is focusing on the product, where I support the product owner and team in creating the release plan, helping the product owner to create and share the product vision and to create the product backlog, starting with finding and writing user story, followed by appropriate slicing and prioritization, presenting stories to the team using artifacts like backlog grooming and sprint planning. I keep the high-level overview about the product and the team and use this meta-level for driving optimizations. Next important area is the continuous learning in the team and Agile world. The importance of networking to grow the solution space and strengthen knowledge sharing. This works, for example, by studying current trends in lean, agile management and other areas, sharing own knowledge thoughts through blogs, participating in discussions, and by joining conferences and meetups, both ways as organizer, speaker, or just for learning. I foster building communities of practice to connect experts company-wide, team overlapping and topic related. I help with creating structures and facilitation. As a blueprint, I organize with all other Scrum Masters or coaches in the company. I help the team to create information radars, to gather in-time feedback and enable transparency. I am a mirror by reflecting on the Agile values and principles and their current implementation, using inspect and adapt to drive continuous improvements. I use open questions to get all perspectives and foster creativity. I support the team using its agreements and follow necessary policies. I reflect on problems found during observing the team and problems I got to know from outside the team. Let's consider the change process, where I help the team to dissolve blockades, using visualization and consequent addressing of impediments and insisting on the solution of it. using context-driven metrics, and help the team to measure and visualize their success, for example by using experiments and applying appropriate change management methods. Next to come is a lot more that I connect with my role. Asking questions, for instance, does it make sense to switch methods using Scrumban, Kanban instead of Scrum? Can we speed up time to market by applying proper technologies? Are there new possibilities in direction quality assurance, for instance, living documentation, behavior-driven development, and more? And how can we embed it in our team? I ensure that we create and use a living definition of ready for our stories to be eligible for an iteration, and a definition of done to check whether a story is really done. I help the team to focus by questioning direct team access and minimizing unproductive interruptions, helping to reach the flow state during development and to finally reach the team's sprint goals. My role is versatile and challenging. Mastery and purpose are really perfectly addressed. I'm able to develop in many areas and can really help the team to reach the hyper-productive state.